Bay. We're going in the water today. Here's where we've lived for the last month. Did all kinds of stuff to the boat. And Sailor's ready with his jacket. We're on the trailer already. I'll show that to you.
Oh, I gotta put
There's the trailer. So here we are, waiting for them to take us back to the boat dock. We had to stop in order to disconnect the electric cord, which we forgot to do. Now we're headed out again.
If that's all the excitement we have, that's all. I like putting the ropes on people's rocks. Freaking them out. We always grab them right before you launch. Yeah.
There she is. Jeff's checking all the through holes, make sure we don't have any leaks because we did some work on them. And the propeller, make sure that it's not leaking through the propeller. He had to grease it up this morning. This is the Napa River. These are houses. I think this is still called Napa. There's the Marina back there. Hi, hon. Love you. Napa River. Really interesting how you the Mare Island Causeway Bridge going up. Good? Are you going? Okay, but are we good? Okay. Oh my. We made it. Thank God. Oh, so cheers there for a second. Whew. The bridge is going back down. Marina. Motor sailing, don't have a lot of wind, but it just started picking up, so got to get a little bit of a heel. I think so. Woohoo! We're sailing. Oh, just turn on the engine. 6.5, good for that wind. It's okay. Cool. Yeah. Well, we're sailing now, but we're not going very fast. And we thought we'd go back to motor sailing because we turned off the engine. And we have a bad harness. We got a new one waiting for us, but Jeff's trying to fix it because we can't start the engine. So, here we are.
Let's go ahead and try to start
the Vallejo ferry going by. So we're going underneath the Richmond Sanderfeld Bridge, and Jeffrey, my genius, got the engine started again. It's like 6:30. We're heading home, and not a moment too soon. It's been an exciting day. Sailors tired. There's San Francisco. Pretty sight. That tall thing is Hammer's Tower. Oil rigs over there. Here we are, almost at the entrance to the Richmond Harbor. Just getting the lines put away. What are you doing, Sam? What do you think? It's been quite a day, huh? Yeah. Here we are, tucked into our slip. We came in last night.